In this video, I'm going to show you how to place auto trail in Tradovate. Now there's two ways to do this and I'm going to show you both. The first one is if you're using this trading panel at the top above your chart. So if you don't see it, you can go and click on the view settings here and click on trade mode to actually enable this. And from here where it says ATM, you want to click on the settings cogwheel next to it. And from here you can create a new ATM. So just go ahead and click on the plus button and add a new one. I'm going to name this one AT, so auto trail, and I'm gonna click on OK. Now down here you can go and show how you wanna, of course, see it, and then here you can select the type. Now the type can be take profit and stop loss only, or take profit only. So if you do take profit and stop loss or stop loss only, you'll see that here at the bottom, of course, you can set either only the stop loss or both stop loss and the take profit, and then you can also select the stop loss type, and this is where you can basically place the auto trail. So if you click on over here, you can see there's going to be auto trail down here, so we can just click on it, and then down here again you can go and set up this auto trail, the stop loss, profit trigger, and the frequency as well, and then you can click on save. Again, if you're using only the stop loss, the same thing can be done over here as well. Then click on save, and there we go. Whenever you place the order, you have to select this ATM, so ATM should be the one you created. For me, it's going to be the AT, auto trail, and now you can just do your order and it's going to place the auto trail together with it. Now the second way is to use this trade button up top left, so click on trading, and you can do over here where it says advanced, and inside advanced you want to go to ATMs, and again you can customize this as well, buy or sell, the quantity, order type, etc. And then over here, you want to set the type. Again, same thing as earlier, take profit and stop loss or stop loss only. You can set this up, and then down here, you have the auto trail mode. And of course, you can go and set this up as well, and then send your order. So those are the two ways to place the auto trail in Tradovate. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.